Hey guys, it's Matt, welcome to SpeedTutor and welcome to Made with Unity Mondays for the 21st of March 2022, where I feature some of the best creations, assets and games made in Unity for all of you guys from all of the amazing developers out there, and be sure to submit to me if you have any awesome creations. And I know you guys wouldn't forget such a momentous day because today is actually my birthday, so be sure to send all your gifts, presents and treats to my address. But no, you all being here just to watch the video and subscribe to the channel is enough for me. Be sure to check out my Patreon to get access to over 125 different scripts, assets and projects you can't find anywhere else. Check out my amazing assets on the Unity Asset Store and bonus discounts with massive savings on my website for all those assets. So again, throw a like on this video and subscribe to always be updated on what I do. RodneyLuck has the trailer for his twin stick shooter, which is a tank platformer with built-in physics. The next one, by Thrust Vector 9, has got farmers stealing tanks. Solve Games has got all kinds of slashing. Madison has got a bit of virtual reality, a bit of Made with Unity, all thrown into one. Muppet Puppet MP has got a sequel to the Falconeer, but it's an entirely different builder management game. Actually not Spartacus is when you know you shouldn't have spent 5 hours making this, but you couldn't help yourself. Samudev has made a laser beam spell. SpeedTutor has got a work in progress for their new building system. Alan has got a work in progress for the map creator for the new adventure game. Jurassic Snap has got 1 year of progress of snapping all those dinos. Bengal 2004 has got Procedural World Generation because they were so tired of handcraft. Lover Drive has got a really cool, stylized looking shader. And Core 24 has got some funky mechanics for the new rhythm game. Six Thorns has got fake volumetric fog with a depth render, and you can make some really awesome effects. Kondoro, 1.5 years of development in an XCOM inspired game. Mandigondo has got puzzles where you only see the edges. Melba's Animations is experimenting with a dash effect for their Godzilla with wings. Cactus on Fire has got another insanely awesome, fully volumetric nuclear explosion. Alex Amai has got Caustics and Volumes, and it looks so sweet. The Alan Shu has got raycast based brush selection and highlighting. Les Tusi has got some real-time cloth simulations with a shader test. So be sure to check out all these creations, and I'll have the links down in the description. And be sure to submit to me if you have any awesome creations. Be sure to check out my Patreon to get access to over 125 different scripts, assets and projects you can't find anywhere else. Come and join me on Discord if you want to chat. Check out my great assets in the Unity Asset Store and big discounts on my website with bonus coupons in the description for you to check those out too. So thank you to all my patrons and all my amazing subscribers and everybody who comes to watch this video. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Cheers.